Folks, what an active scene we have. Look at this. Wow. We got East Greenwich police, we got Warwick police. We have quite the scene. Please share that you are watching. It is one. Now, there was an incident earlier in East Greenwich. And if you remember, when we went to Main Street and they apparently, somebody shot a paintball out of a window and hit somebody in the face. Now we have some individuals right there. Now you can see they have, look at this, I want you to see though, this is the Walgreens. So they have quite the show of force. So they've been looking for these individuals from what I understand. And then we have the East Greenwich police came out, and also you see the Warwick police that are out. So folks, we have these. Hey, what's going on? Good. Now I'm live right now. Did you see what happened? No. Oh, all right. We're live right now. This is the East Greenwich thing, right?
Yes.
The paintball?
Yes.
Hit somebody in the face?
It's either paintball or pellet, yeah.
Or a pellet? Oh,
I don't know
wow. I
I
understand.
don't know the
Do you
guns.
believe, look how they caught them, though, and boxed them in.
Yeah, they...
Did you see when they swarmed around them?
No.
Oh,
I called
you
you
just
once
came.
I heard
Oh,
the
okay.
call.
Oh, good.
Warwick.
Oh, okay.
Warwick got him.
Oh, good. Wait a minute, is this David?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Been trying to get you some stuff, you know? How are you?
Good. What a day you've had. Oh, wow. Oh, my God.
I sent you the link to East Greenwich.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Channel 12 shows you East Greenwich.
Wow. Folks, again, here you can see. Great job. Looks good.
I don't care.
Oh, okay. Now, David, you've been tracking this story and assisting. You're part of Team One.
Yes.
This was the incident at Main and...
The guy was going into that restaurant.
Yes. Yeah.
What
was the street? It's right at it's right at the top of CBS is.
Yes,
Yeah.
but they said he was at that restaurant. What do you call it?
Revival.
Yes, he was going in for dinner and got shot.
Wow. Okay. So they've been trying to find them. Look at this lady coming right over the curb.
Yeah, they've been looking all night, and
Wow.
then they saw him in East Greenwich again. And Warwick stopped the car.
They did. Warwick,
Yeah.
Looks like Warwick got them. Now that looks like come step right over this side. So that looks like maybe the occupants that were in the
Yeah.
car.
4 kids were supposed to be in the car.
Okay, that's all right. Oh, all right. Oh. No, is she with them maybe?
Maybe she's a parent.
Maybe she's what, a parent? Oh,
Maybe.
okay. All right, I'm going to creep up a little bit. Well, we want to see. Oh, maybe they have a kid in the car. All right, so it goes over to this side. Folks, share that you're watching. We're in Apponaug. I was going to go get Ladybug. We have police over on this side. Not sure where she went. I have some young kids, and they believe so. Somebody was shot in the face with either a pellet gun or a BB gun.
I just know someone was shot in the
Shot in the
face.
face, though.
Yeah.
Right in East Greenwich.
Yep.
Walking into that restaurant.
You wanted to go eat? Yep.
Yes. Wow. And they've been looking for this car, it looks like, all night. Now, were there 4 people in the
They
car?
said 4.
4. Okay. So, folks, this is now I see 2 kids right there. Now, there looks like the mother is, or whoever that woman is. Looks like she's talking to the police right over there. Oh, so there's another one. So there's a third youth. Do you think that's a parent? We don't know.
Assuming, yeah.
All right, folks, we have Warwick Police, we have East Greenwich Police. We are right down the street from Ladybug.
Yes, 2 houses down. I
Yep.
think.
Ladybug texted me and said they look in the Walgreens, and then here they are. All right, folks, they're looking in the car. Kids are kind of laughing a little bit. I don't, do you see a weapon? I don't see a
No.
weapon.
Unless they took it out already.
Yeah. Folks, look, these kids are like laughing to each other. Not really taking it seriously.
See any of your friends for Warwick?
It's tough. Not that I can identify when they're working, you know. I have to respect what they're doing. They have to respect what I'm doing. And then tomorrow morning we're going to resume the search for that missing boy.
Yeah, he was.
Or young man.
Greenwich.
Yeah. He lives right over there. Yes. That's a tough one. So he's been missing for 36 hours.
Yeah.
You're part of Team 1.
Team 1.
All right, folks. Well, they have caught up to him. This is a situation. Thank you for the stars, folks. Look at this. Juan coming, booking out. Team 1 is on the scene.
Yes.
You're a full member of Team 1.
Correct.
You get to attend the company Christmas party. Do you know where it is?
No.
Ladybug's house. I may bring her to the search tomorrow.
She might know something. See, they got something there.
Oh, okay. There we go. Folks, that looks like something.
So they're just driving down and shooting at things.
Wow. Oh, excuse me, folks. Here we go. So this is, you see the police going through the vehicle. You know, this is, tragically, this is something that we do see more and more, where these young kids get into a vehicle and they just start riding around. They think it's funny. They shoot at things, but they apparently shot someone in the face as they're walking into a restaurant in East Greenwich. Now, we've also seen situations, folks, if you remember, please share that you are watching, folks. Again, this is Wednesday night, Juan on the scene. They've been looking for this vehicle and these individuals since, I'm going to say that was 7:20 tonight, right around there. Yeah. And I see, well, there's at least 3 of them. And that could be someone. There's some woman that came that parked, almost hit us without her glasses on, went over the curb. Could be a parent, but that seems to be the vehicle. Warwick called it in. East Greenwich came over. Hey, just a reminder, tomorrow afternoon, folks, we also found out we're going to be part of roll call. Oh. Ma'am, what can you tell us about the incident?
I have nothing to say.
Is that your car? Oh, let's look out. She's going to back up. Yeah. She doesn't have her glasses. Oh, look out, David.
She drove over the curb last
She drove over the curb last time. Oh, she's coming around to the other side.
So they were looking
Right
all
back.
night.
Yep, they've been looking. This has been like a manhunt.
Poor guy was going to dinner.
Yes. All right, so she's pulling over there. We don't know if one of the youths are going to go over there. Folks, it's a developing situation. All right, I see a kid getting in her. So that looks like somebody getting in her car.
And then you got someone against the police car right here. Right in front of you.
Yes, right there. So whoever that was, looks like somebody's mother came and got him out of it. Thank you for the stars, folks. Yep, very busy night. Folks, but tomorrow, you're going to want to tune in. We're going to sit in on the Cranston Police roll call, right? Then they go out. How about that? David, you'll be watching that.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
How did you get that set up?
I'll reveal that tomorrow.
Okay.
They're fans of this.
Oh,
They're watching.
That's great.
Folks, we also have some new programs coming. It's going to be very exciting. New programs coming in 2023. You're going to see a lot more. I think eventually we're going to have live shows 7 nights a week. How about that? One TV. David, you're a big fan.
Yes.
Very generous star sender, too.
I send a lot of stars. I love your work.
But you like it. You like the content.
Live.
It
Yeah.
is. It's live and unscripted.
Yeah.
All right, folks. So right now, just to sum up, we are in Warwick, but this incident started in East Greenwich.
Something with this pickup.
Yes. Oh, okay. So the pickup's involved, right?
They probably a parent.
Yeah. Another one coming. We have some utes, but somebody, somebody got shot in the face walking into Revival on Main Street in East Greenwich. Oh, she's yelling. Folks, you're watching live coverage. Now, this incident has been going on for over 2 hours. Saying someone was walking carrying a baby. The F-bombs are flying. The person shot was carrying an infant. Well, these people are trying to leave. All right, no one's going anywhere. This parking lot's on lockdown. You Walgreens people are going to have to wait. Do you know if the 1 hour photo is still open?
I'm not. No, yeah, it says it. All right.
Whoever this woman is, she's very upset. Please share that you're watching. Thank you for the stars on this Wednesday night.
Gentlemen, what's up, Dave?
How you doing?
Not bad. I gotta move the car.
That's okay.
The Walgreens employees are trying to get out. Hi, officer. Oh, all right.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
My daughter Isabel's watching you. She
Oh,
wants you to
nice.
say hello.
Oh, absolutely. Happy birthday.
16.
Whoa. go. Folks, look out. The Walgreens employees are leaving. So do you have a comment on what happened in the parking lot? Why is the 1 hour photo light still on? Alright, they did ask me to back up. All right, we'll stay at a distance. It looks like they're talking to one of the parents.
Yeah. Probably just silence.
Yeah.
Maybe he wants to comment tonight.
Well, she asked me to stay back,
Yeah.
so I want to respect that. And she asked very nicely. Folks, share that you're watching. Again, it is Juan on the scene. We're in Apponaug. Hey, just a programming note. Tomorrow morning we will be live joining the search for the young man from East Greenwich who is missing. I want to show you the photo again. That is Daniel Craig. He is missing. Last seen going on, let's see, almost 36 hours ago. Yes, 12 noon yesterday, Middle Road in Shippytown, right near Cars Pond, Middle Road. He is missing, and the search is going to resume tomorrow morning. We'll have live coverage. I'm not sure the time we have to coordinate with the police, the K9. And we may soon have the WAN drone coming.
Wow.
WAN drone 1.
Have you been practicing?
Not yet. It's too cold.
Yeah.
I haven't had time. It's nonstop. And then tomorrow afternoon, programming note, folks, tomorrow afternoon, Cranston PD Live, episode 5 debuts tomorrow. That's going to be 4 to 6, but we're going to start it off with the roll call. Just like on Hill Street Blues. That's going to be at 3:45, 4 o'clock start, where we hit the road. But live coverage of the search, is going to be tomorrow morning. And there's somebody from Cumbies. See how people just yell out?
Yeah, that's what channel you were.
Yeah. Channel 1. Wrapping up, officer?
Yes.
Okay.
Parents have been notified. And
Okay.
taken custody.
Okay.
Channel you guys?
No English.
No English?
Watch your back, AJ.
How many of that?
All right, folks, all parents have been notified. Looks like the police are going to exit the scene. And we're going to sign off. Folks, tomorrow morning, we're going to be coming to you live with the search.